Oh, that's nice.
Well, howdy, 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 champions. It's cocktail quickie time. Cocktails, but we're going to do it quickly. That's what it's about. So today we're talking about the Americano. Now, if you don't know what an Americano is, well, order one. It's delicious. Especially if you like Negroni. It's a really good low ABV alternative, meaning you're not going to get pissed as quick. Now, the Americano was first served in the 1860s at Gaspare Campari's bar called Cafe Campari. So it was actually served at a cafe, which is pretty cool. Originally, the drink calls for a Campari, but today we're going to make Australianos, or Australianos if you want to be classy. That felt pretty nice. The drink is super easy. It contains equal parts ochre and sweet vermouth. Equal parts, 45 mils each. Now, this drink used to be called the Milano Torino, named after Campari, which was based in Milan, and Pontamez, which was based in Torino. So it used to be called the Milano Torino until the turn of the 20th century, when American tourists in Italy really gravitated towards the drink, so people started calling it instead the Americano. Also, fun fact, an Americano was the very first drink ever ordered by James Bond, but today we're going to make an Australiano. That's right, 100% Aussie. You're going to need 45 ml worth of your ochre. And the good thing about an Americano, especially in isolation, is you can eyeball that. I'm really glad this isn't live. Next, you're going to need 45 ml worth of vermouth. In this case, we're using Maiden Eye, because it rocks. And again, you can just eyeball that. If you want to measure it out, you totally can, but I'm in isolation, so nah. Now the next thing that you're going to need is ice. Right there, you need some ice. So you're going to fill this all the way up with ice. Boom, to the top. I don't need that anymore. Nice. The last thing that you're going to need is soda water. Now I'd recommend that you use Cappy, because you should support local, of course. But you can use whatever you like. I've got a bit of Cappy sparkling mineral water here, and we're just going to top it with mineral water. Oh, the sparkling sound of effervescence. And the last thing that you're going to need to do is garnish it with a slice of orange. If you don't want to garnish it with a slice of orange, you can garnish it with lemon, rosemary, some lemon myrtle, riberry. Do whatever you want. So, you garnish this just like that. Oh, yes. Yum yums. That's what's up. Now, the last thing you want to have, if you're feeling classy, is a straw. And now you're ready to enjoy your Australiano. I mean, it's an Americano, but with all Australian products. But it's still fun to say. Australiano. 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 Delicious. I think we're good.